Morning everyone. Today I am starting Java concept. These are the basic concepts in Java in first unit. First we have to learn these topics. We can easily learn the Java language. First in this session we will cover these topics. What is OOPS? OOPS means object oriented programming language. In OOPS, what are the basic concepts? What are the principles of OOPS and programming structure of Java? Java introduction. We have to learn simple programming Java and elements and tokens, Java statements, command lines, arguments, command line arguments, and how to take user input, escape statements, comments, programming style. In this first one, what is object oriented program? What is OOPS? Object oriented programming is used to write programs with the using of objects. What is meant by object? Object means a real world entity. No, the normal meaning of object means a pen or fan. These are the objects. In these objects, there are some properties. What can pen do? We can write colors. These are the properties of pen. And fan. Fan what can do? Fan we can switch on, switch off. These are the properties. So we can write the program with the using of objects. These are called object oriented programming language. What is the use of these OOPS? First one is easy to understand. It means the code can easily understandable and reusable. There are plenty of length of the code can be reduced. We can use some code. Again we want to use this code. We don't need to write this code again. We can use objects. These are the main use of the OOPS and easy to maintain. Easily you can easily understand, you can maintain easily also. Next one, basic concepts of OOPS or principles. This is very important. This is very important in this OOPS concept. 1 second. Okay, these are the basic concepts of OOPS. This is very important also in Java. Using OOPS concept, these are the main important. First one is encapsulation. Encapsulation means binding of data and methods together in a single unit. It means it can hiding the some working process. First we can take a medicine or capsule. Capsule is mentioned only. In this capsule there are some medicine. We don't see that medicine, but we can use to this capsule. This can works. We don't know what is there in that, so it can bind capsule layer and this medicine. Binding of like this only, binding of data and methods together in a single unit. Next one, abstraction. Showing only necessary details, hiding complexity. It means there is a keyboard. In keyboard there are so many keys. We can click the button K or U. It can display in the screen, but we don't know the exact procedure what can be done inside. So only showing necessary details. It can show only letters typing in the screen. This is abstraction. Inheritance. Inheritance means one class getting properties from another class. There is a class A. These have some properties. These properties are name, age. Class B having city. This class B can derive properties from class A. There are some types of inheritance are there. We can learn in next sessions. Next one watch. Next one is polymorphism. Polymorphism means one name, many forms. There are some methods we know. Void add. It is a method. Same name means void add. Same method, many forms. It means this is one form, this is one form, but the output can be changed, different. We can learn next sessions in simple understanding here. Okay, next one. Okay, we can start the introduction to Java. Java is a object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. What is the main features of Java? Aura. Aura means write once, run anywhere. Anywhere. It means we can write the Java program in .java extension. This Java program can be compiled into .class. It means it is a byte code. It converts the Java code into byte code. This byte code can be run any systems, Windows, Linux, any systems you can run this Java code. This is the main feature of the Java. It is simple and secure. Secure means we are using some access specifiers. There is no access specifiers in other languages. In Java only there are some access specifiers we can discuss later. Portable, robust and multi-threaded. Just note down these features. Next videos we can understand easily. Structure of the simple Java program. This is the structure. Class is a keyword. It is used to define the class name. This is the main method. First of all, we can run the Java program. Main method will be called. The program will start here only. System.out.println. This means printing the output. What we can give in the double quotes that can be printed in the screen. Same. What I explained this the meanings of this. Next one, tokens. What is tokens? Tokens are smallest elements of the program. We are using many keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, separators. These can be called as tokens. First one, keywords. Keywords means reserved words. For example, class already we have discussed. This class keywords. Class already we discussed class keyword. These are already there. Built-in keyword means already there. We cannot create our own. These are the keywords having some meaning. Class means creating for class. This is already have meaning. What we can do with class keyword? We can create some class like that only. If statement, condition. Integer means data type. Public accessifier. So these are the keywords. Identifiers. Identifiers means names for variables and classes. These are the that means in this these are the identifier. Next one, literals. Literals means having fixed values. We know there are some data types: int, float, double. In int we can store only integer values. Float only float values, that means point values. Double also same floating decimal values. Literals means having fixed values. We cannot change these values. We can change, they can occur data loss. Operators. There are some operators in second unit we can learn next two sessions. And separators. In Java program we are using some brackets. Brackets means block of code. It is used to define the block of code. Next one, Java statement. Java statement means instruction to the compiler. It means it tells the compiler what can we want to do. First one is expression statements. In this, we can assign some value to the variable. Here, x is a variable. Int x is equal to 5. This is a expression statement. Next, control statement. Control statement means conditions. If is a condition, for is a condition, while is a condition, which is a condition. It means, if means we want to first check the condition, then we can perform some task. While means, sorry, for means we can do one task repeatedly number of times. For I is equal to 5, I want to repeat the I task in 5 times. In that time we can use for loop. Block statements. Already we have discussed block statements. Command line arguments. In normal programming we have to print the messages while program only. In system.out.println only we can write the message what we have to print. Using these command line arguments, we have to print the messages while the compiling. In this, we don't give the name. Here the output is John, hello John. In this code, we don't give any message John. So we are using args. Args means command line arguments. So first argument is John. We can give this value in compile time only. User input. Before program, we have to give the input in program only. Now we have to take input from the user. For suppose asking age 18. So we have to give, don't give the age, ask the user, enter your age. That statement we using scanner class. First import the scanner class from the Java. So we can use import java.util.scanner. Now we have to take one example class input example, public static void. This is the main entry point already we discussed. We have to create object. So I am creating object for the scanner class. This scanner class we are creating object. Syntax of creating object, class name. Now we don't create an object to the directly class. We have to create object to the scanner. So scanner object what we have to declare sc is equal to new scanner system.in. It means saving the memory, stores the memory, gives extending the memory in system. So enter your name. We are asking name to the user. Enter your age. Name. So in user enter some name. I will enter Prasad. That name is a string. So we have to store the value in string data type only. So string name is equal to object. We are using object. Next line. This method will use to store string values. Next we are printing the message what we have to print. Next one, escape sequences. It means some /n means giving the new line. /t means tab space. We want to tab space in the program. We use /t. / means print the / symbol. Double quotes means we are using / double quotes. Comments in Java. There are two types of comments. Used to explain code. It means we have some code. I want to tell this is the class declaration. That means, but we don't print this definition. It is a notes. What can be done in the program. This is just a explanation. Java compiler that can be ignored these comments. That cannot be print. It is just telling the what is the use of code. What the line can be done. The explanation can be done with the use of single quotes, comments. There are two types: single line, multi-line. In single line means we are explaining only single line. Multi-line means there are number of lines we can explain, like document. We can use star hash. Next one, okay, we can maximum completely our basic concepts. What is the programming style of Java? First one is proper indentation. Proper indentation means, so most of the members write class A. Next, class A. This is some good view. Someone can write class B, AB. So we can use some small. We can use class declaration. The class name can be first letter, can be capital letter. That can be give some good view of the program. Next one, open braces. We can open braces here or also next line. I will write the program class A. Sorry. Class A. Next something I will write in this code in this braces. Next I will open another brace, write something. We can close these braces like this only. It gives the most effective view of the program. Someone can write programs like this only: open brace, close brace, open brace, close. There is no indentation. Indentation means where we open the braces, in that same alignment only close the braces. Use meaningful variable names. Write comments for clarity. We already discussed what is the use of comments. We can use the comments and give the attractive view of our code. Keep code simple and readable. Don't make the code more complexity. We can write the code in simple way only. Follow naming conventions. It means already we discussed. Start program. In start program, we can write S is a capital letter and P is a capital letter. It gives us some most efficient view also. So finally we can learn in this session oops. What is oops and what is the use of object and classes? What are the main principles of oops? What is class? Main method? What can be the use of? What is the use of main method? And statements and tokens. Learn input and output, comments and good style. How to write the Java program. So thank you for watching. For subscribe more videos.